Hi friends, welcome to Rasul Sensor channel. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. Kuwait Cabinet in its meeting today approved conducting license, exhibition and activities of commercial nature in open outdoor areas in accordance with the special requirements determined by the Ministry of Health. The exhibition and activities are allowed to conduct starting from Sunday, October 17th. With the return of normal life after the pandemic and schools reopened, the gasoline consumption witnessed a big jump in the last few days to settle at a level of 13 million liters per day. Local daily reported quoting sources from Kuwait National Petroleum Company. The premium gasoline accounts for the 65% of the total consumption, which is around 8.5 million liters per day. While super gasoline consumes about 4.4 million liters per day, consumption rate of ultra gasoline is only about 150,000 liters per day. The General Cleanliness and Road Workers Department of Farvania Municipality carried out field inspection in the residential area of Ardia, Jalibal, Suwaik, Farvania and Kaita and lifted 111 abandoned vehicles and heavy equipment. The Director of the General Cleanliness and Road Worker Department of the Farvania Municipality Branch, Sadal Koraiji, said that the team will continue its field tours to remove all cars and heavy equipment from the open yard in all areas of the Governorate and will install temporary earth mounds to prevent the parking of cars and heavy equipment in the open areas. The field tours will continue in all areas of Farvania Governorate to clean open yards. Legal measures will be taken against the owners before removing the cars, authorities informed. The traffic authority is studying to allow cyclists to practice their hobby at Sekal Jaubar Bridge on Friday for 2.5 hours, starting from 5 to 7:30 a.m. According to local Daily Alra report, the proposal is still under study and in the event of approval, a specific mechanism will be put in place to allow bicycle to run on Jaffer Bridge with directional board placed along the bridge. Meanwhile, yesterday, Ministry of Interior arrested a number of people who were protesting cycling on the Sheikh Jafar Bridge. The ministry called on everyone to abide by the ban on cycle on the bridge in order to preserve everyone's safety. The Ministry of Interior decided to take urgent security measures to prevent the recurrence of a suicide incident on the Jafar Bridge after the recent incident of increasing suicide attempts. In last few days, a Egyptian and an Indian expatriate attempted to commit suicide on the bridge but was saved by the timely intervention. 4 cases of attempted suicide were reported on Jafar Bridge, in which 3 of them were saved. The ministry has decided to establish around the clock patrol in cooperation with public security and the emergency sectors to improve discipline and arrest the suspect. Anyone who tries to use the bridge for such attempts will be deported. Anyone who tries to use the bridge for such attempts will be reported. Instruction and issued to the security man to deal firmly to such cases and not to tolerate these issues. A 19 years old Kuwaiti citizen Ali Al Balusi was killed by a flying manhole cover on Fahil Road today. He suffered fatal injuries when the metal cover of the manhole crashed through his windshield and caused to hit another vehicle on the road. The security man and paramedics rushed to the spot and authorities started investigation on this incident. The Ministry of Health team continues its vaccination campaign to reach out to people around the country who are not yet vaccinated. The team was in Hawali region today next to the Nufra complex to vaccinate all the recovered groups. Yesterday, the team MOH was present in Banedalgar district of the Kuwait city as part of a mass vaccination campaign to reach out to people around the country who are yet to be inoculated against the deadly virus. The ministry had announced Sunday launching the campaign across several areas in Kuwait. This campaign aims to raise vaccination rate and to cover all workers who were not able to get the vaccines for any reason is noted. The Ministry of Health has launched several vaccination campaigns to reach all parts of the community. Thank you for watching my channel.